Hello, my friend. Welcome back to AhTech. Today, we invite you on a peaceful journey through quiet sugarcane fields and vibrant vegetable farms. With satisfying harvest scenes and gentle machines at work, this video shows how modern agriculture technology brings beauty and balance to every step. Stay with us. There's something quietly amazing waiting at the end. To begin with, smart farming has changed everything. These machines can cover up to 20 hectares per day, turning human effort into optimized performance. Instead of exhausting manual labor, growers now use automated planters that precisely insert cuttings into the soil. This is where modern agriculture technology fuses with heritage on a grand scale. Following that, irrigation becomes a performance of its own. The Seninger XL wobbler doesn't just watte, it orchestrates a precise, low-pressure delivery system. At just 0.5 bar, it hydrates 2.4 hectares uniformly, cutting water use by 30% while protecting the soil. That's true mechanical grace. In addition, advanced systems now reach below the surface. Netafim's subsurface drip lines supply moisture directly to the root zone. Without spray or evaporation, every drop counts. Studies show 40% less water loss and 25% yield improvement, plus no need for reinstallation. That's silent efficiency in action. If that impressed you, like the video, subscribe, and comment 9 to power our next story. Meanwhile, on the surface, care continues with precision. The Belarus 820 sprayer moves delicately between rows on slim tires that avoid plant damage. Right behind, the Belarus 1.3 pulls a 2,000-liter tank blending water and pesticides. Together, they deliver targeted treatments, reducing time and improving consistency. Later on, under the blazing sun, cleanliness becomes critical. Degrassing machines sweep through cane rows, removing dry leaves with gentle rubber paddles. Each machine clears up to 1 hectare per hour, slashing labor by 75% and increasing water absorption by 12%. The result? Healthier roots, cleaner fields. Just before harvest begins, fire plays a strategic role. Controlled burning removes dry leaves and pests, creating a clean path for the harvester blades. Still, timing is crucial as excess smoke must be managed carefully to protect both workers and surrounding ecosystems. Next, the real stars take the field. High-tech harvesters, guided by GPS, move row by row, slicing stalks with precision while preserving root systems. Inside, turbofans remove leaves in real time, processing up to 40 tons per hour. That is smart harvesting built for a sustainable future. Moreover, these machines bring muscle and speed. Each unit handles between 176,000 and 264,000 pounds of cane per hour, replacing more than 60 laborers. Using automation and GPS, they cut, strip, and stack nonstop. When full, sensors signal trucks that arrive in under 3 minutes, ensuring the cane reaches the mill at peak freshness. Meanwhile, post-harvest logistics shift into high gear. Millions of tons are moved by truck or train, depending on location. But timing is everything because within 24 hours, moisture loss reduces sugar quality. To counter this, GPS and live tracking coordinate deliveries. A single delay can mean lost sweetness and lower profit. Unbelievably, the mill becomes a mechanical battlefield. At the Louisiana sugar mill, bulldozers and excavators lift towering stacks of cane onto conveyor belts, while engines roar and white smoke rises. The crop flows into massive crushers where raw stalks meet relentless industrial force in perfect sync. Amazingly, a huge industry has grown from a humble stalk of grass. Just 10 cane stalks can produce two 2.2-pound bags of sugar. With a natural sugar content of 16%, cane outshines corn, wheat, and fruit, which often fall below 10%. Thanks to its high yields and minimal inputs, cane ranks as one of the most efficient and ecologically smart crops on the planet. Amazing, deep inside the facility, transformation takes place. Juice flows through crushers, heaters, and filters. Syrup is boiled with exact precision, monitored around the clock by real-time sensors. Smart sensors monitor every flow, temperature, and clarity to ensure seamless results. It's a technique that works closely with agriculture for reliable production. Every stage turns raw potential into snow-white crystals, merging ancient agriculture with today's most satisfying technology. Meanwhile, the factory turns the juice into precision. The thick syrup flows into a high-speed centrifuge, where the crystals and molasses are perfectly separated. The gentle heat from the vacuum pan prevents scorching while the pure sugar is shaped. Elsewhere, Colombia offers an artisanal perspective. Here, skilled farmers use machetes to harvest, squeeze fresh juice and boil it, using dried sugarcane waste as a renewable fuel. Nothing is thrown away. As the juice thickens, it becomes organic yellow sugar. This artisanal method, rooted in nature and human experience, proves that technology and tradition can grow together. Can you believe it? Odor technology has reached its peak in Georgia. At the Imperial Sugar Factory in Port Wentworth, machines pack up to 2,000 bags per minute. Robotic arms align stacks with pinpoint accuracy, while laser sensors ensure every seal is perfect. Conveyors move smoothly as they track each grain. This is more than packaging, it is a testament to efficient food processing. Next, we will learn more about the top machines in the agricultural industry. Interestingly, when the John Deere S770 pairs with the Geringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30, it's more than just a harvest, it's choreography. Armed with 450 horsepower, the S770 storms ahead, while its smart cleaning system maximizes efficiency. Meanwhile, the 30-foot Horizon header slices through sunflower fields with pinpoint accuracy, leaving nothing but a clean finish and drop jaws. Then comes a revolution in cabbage harvesting with Taylor Farms' automated machine. Functioning as a mobile plant on wheels, it reduces manual labor by 50% while offering ergonomic stations for workers. With its seamless workflow and productivity boost, it transforms how leafy vegetables reach your plate. Up in Quebec, the Jet 6F from Univerco is revolutionizing beet harvesting. With an 8-ton-per-hour capacity, its lifting teeth gently raise beets, while rotating brushes clean them on the go. Simultaneously, the David Bowman pumpkin harvester enters the field with purpose. Built to lift, clean, and sort directly from the soil, it uses synchronized blades and conveyors to transform rough patches into rows of market-ready pumpkins in record time. In the golden fields of Debrecen, Hungary, the MOTY harvester turns pumpkin season into a smooth, seed harvesting operation. Spinning blades gently open ripe pumpkins, while conveyor belts carry seeds for fast separation. It processes up to 5 tons per hour with just 2 workers. Likewise, radicchio growers now turn to Ortmec's Avalator for speed and comfort. As a semi-automatic harvester, it allows workers to focus on quality selection while the machine tackles heavy lifting. That means less fatigue, better harvest rates, and premium leafy crops without compromise. Likewise, the Atomic 8300 delivers speed without compromise. Designed to harvest 6 rows of leafy greens at once, it adjusts blade height with surgical accuracy. Its gentle grip ensures each plant stays whole, and the engine's fuel efficiency makes it a long-term win for green farming. The Ordum 9000 Foglia model changes the game in crop clearing. Using the precision of the Ordum 9000 cutting system, it harvests delicate leafy crops efficiently without harm. With a powerful engine and responsive controls, it covers wide ground swiftly while keeping every leaf in pristine condition. Out in California's Salinas Valley, broccoli is going high-tech. This autonomous robot uses cameras and sensors to detect perfect ripeness, then slices cleanly at the stalk. Harvesting 1,200 heads per hour with 0 bruising, it reduces labor and boosts flavor. Meanwhile, Sarah proves power has no gender. She flies across fields with 2 CLS Lexion 770s, each packing 524 horsepower from Mercedes-Benz. Their 12.27-meter headers carve through crops with intimidating width, and with the APS hybrid system, she turns harvesting into high-speed precision. This is modern agriculture with horsepower and heart. To begin, Envidan's weed burners are raising the bar in organic farming. Using a patented ether system, they cut gas consumption by 40% while dramatically improving weed control efficiency. Engineered in direct collaboration with farmers, these machines reduce CO2 output without compromising field performance. Small size, big results. In Kayseri, this Laga Mini hay harvester runs like a champ. In carrot fields across Ontario, The Eco Weeder acts like a giant spinning toothbrush. With rotating bristles spinning at 120 revolutions per minute, it scrubs out weeds without harming your crops. Adjustable for 3 to 8 rows and all soil types, this one tool handles nearly every weeding challenge. Elsewhere, the Extend XPN quietly dominates vineyards. Ideal for narrow rows, this electric weeder trims and clears with robotic timing. Acting as a digital gardener, it replaces labor stress with seamless automation, giving grape growers tidy lines and cleaner yields. In the orchards of Trentino, Italy, this 6-line apple sorter is a genius at work. It scans 30,000 apples per hour using cameras and sensors to detect size, color, and quality. Then snap, it sorts each one flawlessly. Less bruising, less waste, and premium apples in every bin. Up next, grape harvesting takes a leap forward with the Oxbow 6030. Built to dominate steep hills and rough terrain, it offers customizable front stands and both 3 or 4 row spraying options. Thanks to larger buckets and upgraded controls, every grape picked delivers unmatched accuracy and quality. The AT514 manure spreader makes its entrance with controlled force. Built for rough ground, it features an 8-inch arm with 160-degree swing, powered by a 29.5 cubic foot Borger pump. With real-time tank monitoring, it spreads nutrients evenly, reduces waste, and skips unnecessary loops. That's precision agriculture in motion. In Piedmont's scenic vineyards, this Cava SRL front-mounted cultivator works wonders beneath grapevines. Its sharp discs rotate between rows, gently breaking up soil without harming roots. The adjustable width lets it glide through narrow trellises, boosting oxygen flow and stopping weeds early. At ground level, the FHT1 cabbage harvester sets a new benchmark in leafy crop handling. With a 23.6-inch belt, foldable hydraulic arms, and adjustable width up to 47.2 inches, it loads cabbage with pinpoint precision. Anti-roll functions and full customization make it every grower's reliable harvesting partner. To kick things off, meet your futuristic farm companion, Angled Robot 1. Armed with 14 depth cameras and dual GPS, it doesn't just navigate, it rejuvenates the land. By enhancing soil health, minimizing erosion, and promoting biodiversity, it adjusts dynamically to each field. And thanks to its elbow wheels and modular design, it redefines high-impact sustainable farming. In Colombia's highlands, the V-Track eDrive is redefining cabbage harvest. With built-in AI and camera-guided arms, it selects only ripe heads, reducing bruising by 80%. It runs on electric power, harvesting up to 12 tons per day. Where tradition meets tech, cabbage gets the royal treatment. In contrast, when broccoli season arrives, the trimmer proves its legend status. With just 2 ultra-durable cutting heads lasting up to 11 years, it handles vegetables with surgical precision. Mounted over fast-moving conveyors, it's built for speed, simplicity, and smarter processing on every line. Finally, the Schulte GX150 proves that cutting can be clean and powerful. With a 15-foot flexible blade, 10-degree deck, and 80-degree gearing, it handles tight turns like a pro. Add 6 speeds at 540 RPM, 5 speeds at 1000 RPM, and a 6.5-inch overlapping blade for the ultimate in precision mowing. Now shifting gears, the Monarch tractor electrifies the future of farming. Running fully on battery, it eliminates emissions and triples functionality as a tractor, ATV, and mobile generator. With 360-degree vision, collision prevention, and analysis of 240 gigabytes of field data daily, it turns every task into informed, eco-efficient action. Next in line, the Farming K3000 shows its worth across challenging coffee terrains. With a nimble 1,719-pound frame and 30% side slope adaptability, it thrives where others struggle. Its narrow 10.5-foot body eases transport, while smart steering conquers tight rows. Combined with an 8.2-inch collector, upgraded blades, and perfect overlap, it delivers faster harvests with minimal loss. This flamejet burner is setting fields on fire on purpose. Burning at 800 degrees Celsius, it sterilizes the topsoil, killing pathogens and weed seeds buried up to 1 inch deep. The RoboCrop system is redefining precision with AI-guided cameras accuracy. In the flat fields of the Netherlands, Planet 19's powerful tractor turns potato farming into a breeze. This planter makes tedious seedling work vanish. It picks, places, and presses each young plant into soil at 2,000 units per hour. In Poland's cabbage country, precision is king. The Italian-built Unitrium 45-2 transplanter plants up to 5,500 seedlings per hour. Its adjustable depth control and twin-row planting system ensure uniform growth, reducing wasted space. On a smart dairy farm in Wales, cows line up for the Merlin M2. Using laser positioning and soft silicone cups, it milks 70 cows daily while scanning for udder health. Self-cleaning and data logging, it boosts hygiene and comfort. Meanwhile, the Cone RX redefines forage transport with brutal precision. It hauls 33 to 40 cubic meters of chopped crop while slicing through feed using 28 to 37 blades. Thanks to the OptiGrass system, each cut lands with perfect placement, lowering costs and boosting overall productivity. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful journey through sugarcane fields and fresh produce farms. If you enjoyed the beauty of modern agriculture technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. We'll see you in the next video right here on AhTech.